Alrighty then. This morning is a sort of quick video about some thrift store finds, and then I have an upcoming project that one of the things I'm going to use for. Make sure that this, there we go. So I was out this morning and I got this nice Craftsman benchtop drill press. The chuck that's on it didn't come with it. It's one I have that fits it. It was $29.99, but with the coupon I had, I got it for $23 and change. It seems like it barely used. There still has original grease on the bearing there. Looks like there's almost no wear on the belt. Just there's paint on it. It works pretty nice and powers on. Has the key. And this will be replacing my El Cheapo bench drill press that I got basically for free. I did some work for someone and basically they paid me by giving me this, although it wasn't a lot of money considering the work I did for him, but you know. And this one worked okay, but it's really cheap and kind of rickety, and so I'm gonna trade it out with the Craftsman, and probably I may put this in my workroom inside my house. The other thing that I got was this lamp, and it's not that I actually need this lamp. Although it does work, the ballast or whatever down in here makes some ominous crackling noises when you plug it in and turn it on. What I want is the arm. I need an arm for something I'm going to build, which is mostly built, and this was the one thing I was waiting on. This was like $10, and I'm gonna take everything out of it. So for $10 I got a light bulb, the fluorescent light bulb, a magnifying glass, a switch, the electronics that were in there, and the cord, and I got the arm that I needed. So, but that's in an upcoming video. You'll see exactly what that's all about later. And that's it. Bye.